So this is my HP Victus laptop. As you can see, this is there, and I'm giving the review for this. And this is my complete setup. I have a wide screen attached to my laptop, and this is my streaming setup. And I want to give the complete review, the real review, because the laptop is really slow. And one of the main problem is that right now rendering is also going on. So right, the main problem is, see, this main problem is this memory utilization, and I will get into detail when I will tell more about this from the next camera, and I'm going to give a review on what is the issue. So let us go into the screen and let us see what is the real issue. Thank you. So I have my Victus connected to my main screen, so main wide screen LG. So as you can see, means I was doing some project. I generally work on a lot of desktops. So lot means around 4 desktop I works. Always I work on 4 desktops. So this is, and yeah, Windows 11 is there, and there are issues in Windows 11 also. Windows 11 is not polished, and there are issues, and this slowness issue, someone I have searched on Google, this might be coming from Windows 11 also, this slowness issue which is coming in the Victus, because it is not optimized for the Ryzen processors also, and for the Intel also it is not optimized. At around 20% decrease in the performance is there in Windows 11, although Windows 11 is just awesome, but some issues are there, small bugs are there, but the main bug which I am finding, which is there, is the slowness is there. And if you can see, means this is my main screen, means let me take you through, means all of my desktops. So this is my first desktop. It has got, I have a lot of screens opens all the time. Okay, so this is some of the screens. I was doing a recording streaming right now, so this was something which I created right now. So this, all these things I have all opened. So I am a power user, I'm not your regular coder. So this was for streaming only, and with the streaming, coding is always there. So this all coding is there. Okay, so I will show you the issue, and this is there. I was doing this on my third screen. So always I have a lot of browsers also open, and I am about to start editing. I have not yet started, just I have opened my Kdenlive, in which I edit the videos, but I have not even started. I have not started to render it. So render it, it will go more slow. And let me show the issue right now, the main issue with the HP Victus 8 GB. The main problem is two. One is the 8 GB, and the other is the Windows 11. Both of them are causing a lot of problem, because, and this my previous desktop CPU was i5 ninth generation 9400F, and GTX 10050 Ti, and this is GTX 1650, and it is, I am feeling it to be much more slower than my desktop. Okay, so let me show the real problem, and the real problem is with the Omen Gaming Hub also. We'll show the real problem. See, I am now showing the my Omen Gaming Hub, and if you can see, it is it is only this. See, this is the problem. 8 GB of RAM, 92% is utilized. 92% is utilized. So that is the problem. 92% utilization, and that is the problem. And because of that, the system is very slow. And let me also now start my rendering, then it will become even more slow. Even it makes some sound, but it's okay, it doesn't make that much sound. But even if I click something, I it comes after that millisecond, I can feel the thing that it is slow. It is not that slow, but it is, yeah, it is slow. And someone suggested me that for a Ryzen 5 processor, and 8 GB is not enough, and you have to get a dual channel and more 8 GB. So I will add this more 8 GB. So I don't know how this reviewers, I'm not a reviewer, this is just for reviewing for my channel, for, because I have purchased this for a reason. And if it is doing like this, I think I have to go back, I have to go back to a Mac. I would have done a mistake, and I should have taken a Mac Mini. But see, I am going out of a station sometime back, because I was thinking of taking a Mac Mini, but and I'm going out of station, so I need a laptop. So that's why I took this. But I don't know, means maybe this will become a secondary thing, and I will try after a month. I will actually buy one more 8 GB stick, and someone was telling that you have to buy 8 GB stick only, and 3200 megahertz, because that's the speed. And I will put it, and then I will have another review. Then I will see how it is working, not like that. After I put more 8 GB, then I will have that another review. And so let me do one thing. Let me also start this rendering. So this is just a class which I have taken, so I have to upload it in my teachable. So what I taught today, JavaScript, just let me name it JS. So I've done the editing all, and I just have to render a file. So rendering a file, let's see, and it will make it more slow, I know that thing. Okay, let me see. It has been so slow. See, it is not even moving right now. See this thing. Actually, I want to move it to some 96%. It is 96%. See, it is so slow. I want to move it to second one. See, I'm just moving it to the second one, and it is so slow. So slow. Very slow. Temperature is also rising very high. So it is very slow. I don't know what this reviewer, they are all paid reviewers, or they take something. See, it is not at all working. This is feast. Everything is now stopped, sort of. I'm not a gamer, and I will never play a game on this. It is all only for my coding, for my business, and for my streaming. So that's what I do. I'm a full-time JavaScript trainer. I have classes, I stream on YouTube and all. I have my projects running on. So this is the main thing, and this is so slow. This is really slow. And another 8 GB I have to do, and I will put this. See, if I go here also, CPU utilization is 100%. And let me do one thing. So let me go to the task manager. Now even the task manager is not opening. Okay, the task manager is opening, and I know Firefox takes a lot of space, but what you can do for that? CPU is also getting 100%, and I don't know why it is not even kicking up the GPU. It is kicking up the internal AMD at AMD one, which is at 25%, but it is not kicking up this thing. I don't know how to kick up that thing when you are doing with Kdenlive. So then also means that is not an issue. But see, I will not render every time, so rendering is not even an issue for me. But during my daily uses also, it is feeling very slow. So daily users also, it is feeling very slow, which is bad. So rendering, okay, during rendering, Windows laptop are having an issue. It will take a lot of time. So let me see, means how much time it will take. It will take around 4 hours. It is telling me it will take around 4 hours. So let it take 4 hours. That is not an issue. Let it take 4 hours, and maybe in the night I will do all this editing. But then also 4 hours is way too much. My previous desktop used to take 1 hour. Means it is taking 4 hours. It will take actually 2 hours, but it used to take 1 hour. So that was much more faster. So this is pathetic, really pathetic. I don't know how the all those reviewers gave this thing, but this speed is not done for a 60,000 laptop. See, now it is. I was moving my desktop, so I have some shortcuts there. So, and it is not even moving. So with this, I'll end the review, and I'll come back again when I increase the, and then I will see what is going to happen when I increase the RAM. Right now it is really bad, really bad. If you see both of these things, and I always run on default because quiet is okay, but your fan noise is there, but not that much. Fan noise is okay, but this is the problem. Memory is the problem. So with this, I will end this today, and I will give a honest review, because this is the honest. Because anyways, I am not giving review for anything else. This is my personal laptop, not I have got from some market and I'm giving the review. This is my personal laptop and this is the review, and I will give the next review after I increase the RAM and use it for 2-3 days. Increase the RAM, then I will give the next review. Okay, thank you. I'm ending this. Hope you liked it. Please do subscribe to my channel, not for this kind of videos but for everything else related to programming.